Alright guys, welcome back to my new series where I'll learn how to use Python while teaching you guys. This is currently week 14, day 100. And guys, since it is day 100, honestly it is day 101, I am recording this video day late. That said, since this is day 100, you guys know what this means? The Python for 100 days series have finally come to an end. My goal by the end of the series was to make a game using Python. As you guys know, if you guys watched my first ever video or like any of my videos / lives in general. That said, let me go to my gameplay screen and show you guys what game I made. So my game score was 470 lines. I tried pushing for 500 lines, but it didn't work out. That said, if I were to run the command,
Mission: collect 10 gold coins.
okay, so mission 1, I got a .c NPCs. If I collect potion, I get an additional HP bar on my health that lasts for 5 seconds. If I collect a coin, that increases my score. If I collide with an enemy, I lose health bars HP. If I eat a meat, I get my health bar. If I collect a key, that gives me 0.1 score. I thought that logic would have been funny, guys. That said, if I collect 10 gold coins, there we go. Okay, health bar takes damage if health bar is activated, which it is activated for 5 seconds. Need to wait for one more gold coin. And guys, I should have made the game even harder. This is kind of easy.
Wave completed. Sit back and wait for further instructions, warrior.
If I hit R, it resets my game. What happens if I lose now? Okay, what happens if I lose?
You have fallen, warrior. You must try again and emerge victorious.
And guys, I am the voice actor for this. If I hit R, it resets. And well, yeah, that's basically it for this Python 400 Days series game type stuff. It's like this is all like I started being an absolute beginner, and after let me just close this so you guys can listen to me. And after 100 days, this is what I've made. This is the masterpiece that I've created. I tried being as clean as I could, as neat as I could. Okay guys, I actually feel kind of happy in a way, but in the same time, I know this is like the very basics. Although, stay tuned for my next video where I tell you guys my next series. If you guys are caught up with my live, you guys already know what my next series is. That said, let me go to my main camera again. Alright, so that's basically it for the stream, guys. If you guys enjoyed the stream, I'm so used to saying stream, guys. That's basically it for this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Like helps with my algorithm, sharing makes you smile, and subscribing is like it cherry on top. And guys, I did start multi-streaming on Twitch, Kick, and YouTube at the same time. So if you guys haven't followed me on Twitch and Kick and you guys enjoy my content, make sure to follow me on Twitch and Kick. And well, I'll catch you guys in the next live stream or video. Peace! And guys, make sure to join the Discord server as well.